Hey, it's Jordan here again from Roadmunk. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with Roadmunk's feedback management features. We'll cover how you can collect and manage feedback from customers, then direct that feedback toward the appropriate product area, team, or owner to ensure that it gets to exactly the right person. Let's start off in the feedback inbox, where collaborators on your account can view and process feedback. Before we look at the feedback itself, we'll head to Manage Products and Components to get things set up. It's here where you'll be able to set up the organization structure to make sure feedback is directed to the right person and area. Think of products as the more high-level category that defines your overall product. In this example, let's add a product area for feature requests. On the flip side, components are the integral pieces that define or make up your specific product. So for this example, let's add a few components for completed requests and new requests. Ultimately, products and components should mirror the structure of your organization and lay the foundation for organizing feedback. From here, you can assign product owners and managers at the individual component level. That way, owners and managers will only need to see and process feedback that's directly related to them. Okay, now that we've added our products and components, let's get a broader view of what feedback management looks like, from how you submit it to how to process it. Back within the feedback inbox, you can see which feedback still needs review, along with feedback that's already been processed. To get even more granular, you can also sort feedback by products and components. You can also view feedback that's been contributed by certain customers or contacts by navigating to the Customers module. Here, you can locate a customer using either the customer list or the search option. Click into a customer's profile, and you'll see the Customer Details panel on the right-hand side. Here, you can switch to the Feedback tab, and you'll find a list of all pieces of feedback that the customer submitted. You can also view the feedback details by clicking into the feedback itself from the provided list. Now that we've looked at a few different ways you can view feedback, let's move on to how to actually submit feedback. There are several ways to submit feedback with Roadmunk, including through our Chrome extension. But for the purposes of this video, we'll focus on submitting feedback from within the feedback module. Click on the New Feedback button in the top right corner of the inbox panel. Enter the customer or contact who contributed the feedback. Then use the Product Area dropdown to select the associated product or component. Go ahead and give your feedback a title. And then in the feedback description field, you can provide a detailed explanation giving context for the feedback. In this case, I'm copying and pasting feedback I received from an email exchange with a customer. Finally, click Submit for Review, and your feedback will be sent on its way to the appropriate place. Next, let's walk through what it looks like for a collaborator to go into their feedback inbox and begin managing it. When feedback arrives in Roadmunk, it's automatically assigned to the Needs Review inbox for the appropriate product or component it's filed under. To process submitted feedback, click into the feedback to open the Feedback Detail panel and confirm that the feedback is directed to the correct product area, in this case, new requests. Now, you can attach the feedback to any relevant ideas under Attached Ideas. You can even tag it as important feedback using the checkbox at the bottom of the panel. In the comment section, leave any notes that might be helpful. You can also tag any team members who might need to be made aware of the feedback, and Roadmunk will automatically send them a message over email or within the app. Once it's good to go, click Mark as Processed, and the feedback will automatically be moved from the Needs Review inbox to the Processed inbox. And with that, you now have a seamless workflow for inputting, collecting, and managing feedback in Roadmunk.